Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing Ace Valkyrie. And it looks like it does have the right combo. And this Beyz didn't come in a box. So it just came in this little bag. Let's get it open with. Okay. So here is Ace Valkyrie. A nice yellow color. I do like this. Okay. Here's the ratchet disc. And this is free spinning. Sort of. And here's the trick driver. Alright. So let's put this Beyz together. Ooh. It's gonna kind of be hard just to put it together. Because of there's so many free spinning parts. Alright. Come on. Alright. Dang. I can't get this together. All I can get is just one click on it. Because of the free spin piece. Hold on one sec while I get this together. Okay, so I got it together. I managed to get it together. Okay. So, let's do a test spin. Let's do a test spin with this Beyz. So, the battles over to the side. Let's do a test spin. Dang. That looks amazing when it spins. Dang. Alright. So yeah, that was the test spin. And let's face it up against here. Here's the base I'm gonna be battling it up against. Rock-to-Vor / Valkyrie. Fingriff and Doomsizer. Alright, so first off, we're going to start off with Fingriff. So Fingriff against Ace Valkyrie. Ooh. Alright, let's do a respin so we can actually get a battle. Alright. Because it was stuck in that pocket. Ooh! Dang! And we got a burst. Dang. Oh yeah, and I forgot one thing. And this had no clicks. Alright, I forgot to weigh it. It weighs 32.41 grams. Wow. That is heavy. That is on the heavier side. Okay, so Fingriff did burst, so next battle is going to be against Doomsizer versus Ace Valkyrie. Dang. Another burst. Dang. Ace Valkyrie's dominating all these Beyz so far. And no clicks. I think it's because of this. Definitely. This is helping it deflect all the hits. Alright, so next up is Valkyrie versus Ace Valkyrie. Alright, Ace Valkyrie is going in first. Dang! Dang, who's gonna win? They're both losing a ton of stamina. But dang. Alright, so that is Slash Valkyrie. Ooh! Slash Valkyrie almost bursted there. Okay. So next up is going to be Roktavor. Dang. Wow. Slash Valkyrie is... Ace Valkyrie is really strong. And Valkyrie Chip and, Retsu, I believe. Or whatever. Alright. So let's do one more battle. Just to finish this off. Let's do this. Diomedes versus Ace Valkyrie. Oh. And another burst. Wow. So Ace Valkyrie for all the wins, except for winner. It lost to Slash Valkyrie in a stamina battle. Alright. Thank you guys for watching this video. We hope that you enjoyed it. Subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And keep on spinning.